Konnichiwa, I'm Antalan Jaslyn San. I'm here to teach you Japanese numbers. Don't forget to take notes so that it's easy for you to remember our lesson. Are you ready to learn numbers in Japanese? Okay, let's start in 1 to 10. In Japanese, we have ichi, ni, san, yon or shi, go, roku, nana or shichi, hachi, kyu, and ju. And for the shi and shichi, we don't need to use it if we go to tens, hundreds, or thousands. After 1 to 10, it will become easier because we don't have any additions in our lessons. We will only connecting those numbers into tens, hundreds, or thousands. For example, in 11, 10 plus 1, 10 is ju and 1 is ichi, so it will become ju ichi. At the same time, we will repeat the process into 12. Ju ni, ju san, ju yon, ju go, ju roku, ju nana, ju hachi, ju kyu, and for the 20 is niju. In 20, it will become niju plus 1. 1 is ichi, so niju ichi. And so on. For 20 to 29 is niju. In 30 to 39, sanju. 40 to 49, yonju. 50 to 59, goju. 60 to 69, rokuju. 70 to 79, nanaju. And for 80 to 89, hachiju. 90 to 99, kyuju. Before we continue in hundreds, let's have some examples in our lessons. So, for example, 86. 80 is hachiju and 6 is roku. So, it will become hachiju roku. So, let's continue in hundreds. In Japanese, 100 we call it hyaku. 200 is ni hyaku. 300 is san byaku. 400 is yon hyaku. 500 go hyaku. 600 ro pyaku. 700 nana hyaku. 800 hap pyaku. 900 kyu hyaku. And 1000 is sen. As you can see, we have 3 irregular numbers. We have the 300, 600, and 800. In 300, as you can see, it's not hyaku. It will become byaku. So, san byaku. And 600 is, instead of roku hyaku, it will become ropyaku. And 600, instead of roku hyaku, it will become ropyaku. And in 800, it will become hapyaku. And in addition, in 900, as you can see, the spelling is single U. So, when we become 200s, we will only use 1 U only. Okay? Before we continue in thousands, let's have some examples. 275. 200 is ni hyaku. 70 is nana ju. And 5 is go. So, it will become ni hyaku, nanaju, go. Okay. So, let's move on to thousands. 1,000 in Japanese is sen. So, in 1,000, we call it sen. 2,000, nisen. 3,000, sanzen. 4,000, yonzen. 5,000, gosen. 6,000, rokusen. 7,000, nanasen. And 8,000 is hasen. And lastly, 9,000 is gyusen. In thousand, we have two irregular numbers, that is 3,000 and 8,000. In 3,000, instead of sansen, the sen will become zen, and 8,000 is hasen. Instead of hachisen, it will replace ha, tas has, and sen. Before we end our lesson, let's have some example in thousand. For example, 2,290. 2,000 is nisen, 200 is ni hyaku, 90 is kyuju. And okay, that's all for today. I hope you learned some Japanese number from me. See you next time. Bye-bye!